Hi guys. So we are officially in Cape Town. Welcome to Cape Town. I am at this hotel. It's called the Cape MILNER. I'm going to do like a quick room tour, and I think I like the hotel. Like so far, so good. I like everything I see around the hotel. So yeah, um, let me just like take you from the start. Right there is the door. You come in through there, and then next to like the main door or the entrance, we have a bathroom. This is like my favorite part of any hotel, and this one has beaten all my expectations. They have a huge bathtub. I can't wait to take a bath. I feel like I need to get a candle and a few things from the mall just to be like more ready. And then we have a sink. We have a sink, a mirror, and some lights, and baby girl, of course. Um, I have lots of these little thingies. I don't know what they are, but there's this and like those two things, and tissue, some cotton buds, no, cotton balls, I think makeup removers, and earbuds. Love this for me. I think I actually wanted to do my hair, like just take down my braids and stuff, but I don't know if I'm still going to like, I don't know if I'm still going to do that because my uncle said my hair looks great and it's just a lot of work. But I feel like filming wash day videos in this bathroom would have been both. You also get a shower with a shower head. Haven't tried anything here yet, so I don't know what the pressure would be like. And obviously a toilet. The floors are quite different. Like the ones in the bathroom are different from the ones on the other side, but it all looks like a pattern of wood, which I love for me. And then to put your a stand to put your cases and stuff. I like the lights, like the way the lights are formed. It is currently 3 p.m. so it's bright. You can see how the lights are lighting properly, I think. And then the inbuilt lamps. You do get like a carpet and a very cozy bed. Well, I don't know because I haven't slept in it yet, but it looks very cozy. Two lights, again, a painting, and bedside tables that look cute. Then you have a chair, like a reading chair, and charging port in there, like that for me. A TV, another chair, like the cozy kind, and then tea making accessories and water. I wish they had a coffee press, but they don't. But that's okay. And then you have this thing. I think it's a stool, and I love this chair for me, like the spin kind of chair. And then this is the view. I think overall the hotel has a nice view depending on where you are. I get to see the Table Mountain. Love that for me. And the lights again, the AC. I feel like that's too cold rather. Then you have a wardrobe there with lots of storage, which we love for us, and a full body mirror because hello. Yep. So hangers, my suitcases, and bathrobes. Yep. More storage space, a safe storage and stuff. Probably need to put my passport away, and another mirror.